the lavender plant that we have next to the mailbox. We are going to harvest some of these lavender flowers. They are really pollinator friendly. You can see all the bees on them. Lavender leaves are also edible. You can use them as you would use rosemary leaves. Dried lavender bouquets make beautiful natural decorations. Their soft purple color and calming scent bring a peaceful feel to any room. Dried lavender can be used in cooking and baking. Just a pinch adds a light floral flavor to cookies, cakes, and even lemonade. Brewed as a tea, dried lavender creates a calming herbal drink. Lavender sachet can be used as natural air freshener. Can be used as a moth repellent and can be used under the pillow to induce sleep. Can be used inside your car also as an air freshener. To make lavender infused oil, you can fill a container with the dried lavender. Fill only up to half of the jar. Then add the oil of your choice. This is coconut oil. Leave the container closed for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you can strain out the dried lavender, and this oil can be used for massages. If you are applying this to your skin, it can repel mosquitoes. When you are in the garden, apply this and you won't get any mosquito bites.